Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CAD NEST. Myself Allauddin here. I am from CAD NEST. I am a CAD engineer in the CAD NEST. So today I am just going to start in AutoCAD. So that is how to use chamfer for a rectangle. So we have seen the fillet in last video. Now see how we are going to make a chamfer for the rectangle. So for that one, what I'll do, I'll take this one rectangle from here. So if I'll take one rectangle here, now what I'll do here, so after that one, if you want a chamfer here, so you can see the modify tool, that is chamfer option is showing here. If I'll take a chamfer here, so make sure that for chamfer we are going to take a distance, we are not going to take a radius. Now I'll take a distance from here. Now I'll select the C is asking that specify the first point for the chamfer. Now I'll just specify one first point for the chamfer 0.2, and next second chamfer distance is asking that is 0.3. I'll enter. After entering, now what we have to do now is asking select the first line, or lines we have to select, this edges we have to select. If I select this edges, now you can see this one chamfer is created here. If you want to check the dimension for the chamfer here, you can select the dimension from here, and edge point I am just going to select from here. See, now here I am just going to measure the points from here. So if I click here, now you can see this one, the point is showing 0.3, and it will shows here one more distance if you want to measure here. Now you can take this one and see, now see it is showing 0. So I have taken, so you can measure the dimension by using this here. So now see here, I will measure this again here. Click from exactly we have to measure, then only the distance will shows. So see, now it is showing 0.62 now here. Okay, so like that you can use a chamfer. So chamfer shortcut command is the CHA. If you enter CHA, then you have to take a distance, and the distance I am just going to take a chamfer, first distance and second distance if you are taking. Now you have to measure on the line. Now see, this second distance and first distance I have measured. Now it will create like a chamfer. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.